Holy Stars under 11, they have been beaten back. The recovery for Anti-Colomba between Holy Stars under 11 and Colomba family.
The core essence of Shabiki na Jamii is to support the community. That is how we interact and appreciate and support the community in which we operate. Now, today we are in Zimmerman with Shabiki na Jamii. We support the Aegis Academy through sponsorship of children to be able to nurture their talent in football.
It's been 1 year since we partnered with Shabiki na Jamii, and through Shabiki na Jamii, we've been able to sponsor 14 students from Zimmerman to take part in football in a professional environment where kids are trained in a structured environment.
Omothe twitura riri tondu ciana cia guku ciina talent ya kuhura mubira tukanyitana twi Lions International na kirabu kire kirugamiririo horo uyu gitagwo Lions Club of Riverside nigetha tuke tuone ciana ici na marikia guthaka mubira no megucagurwo nigetha mathie juniors kure makihura mubira kundu kungi twarikia mubira ciana ici cikuheo ranji na onokorwo no iheo no cikuheo timu ira ciguko na timu ta 8 tondu Lions uguo niguo twikaga warora mwana uria ni andu ni marathondekwo maitho for free uthie kindu mararihio uthie haria uthimwo maitho uthimwo cukari na uthimwo pressure.